the Lord's promise of restoration in the book of Jeremiah 30:17. We've all had seasons where we felt labeled by our setbacks, moments where the world, or even that loud voice in our own heads, says, "It's over," or "You're too far gone to fix this." In the book of Jeremiah, there is a powerful promise found in chapter 30, verse 17. "But I will restore you to health and heal your wounds, as declares the Lord. Because you are called an outcast, Zion, for whom no one cares." There is a profound truth hidden in those words. Your current brokenness is not your permanent identity. Reclaiming the narrative. People may call you an outcast. They may look at your business, your relationship, or your mental health and decide you're a lost cause. But the world doesn't get the final vote on your value. The very areas where you feel most discarded are the exact places where your restoration begins. Healing is a process, not an event. The promise isn't just about a quick fix. It's about restoration. Restoration means taking something that was damaged and bringing it back to a state that is often better and stronger than the original. Your wounds aren't just being covered up. They are being integrated into a story of resilience, from uncared for to unstoppable. The quote mentions Zion as a place for whom no one cares. If you feel lonely in your struggle, or if you feel like no one sees the effort you're putting in, remember this: the underdog story is the greatest story ever told. When you feel forgotten by others, you are being prepared for a comeback that will leave them speechless. Don't let the outcast label stick. Your scars are not signs of shame. They are proof that you survived. Today, stop looking at the wound and start looking at the healing that is already underway. You are being restored, piece by piece, into something far greater than you were before. Your restoration is non-negotiable. So do not give up on yourself. Do not let the noise slow you down anymore. Do not let people who do not know your struggles decide the outcome of your journey or what you will become in the future. The Lord God is with you to see you through in all your journey and future successes. So trust the one who created you and promised to restore you. He is not a man that he should lie. So be happy that the Lord God got your back. God bless you.